Assalamualaikum everyone, yes, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is going to be about fluffy slime, fluffy bubblegum slime. So this is what you have to look forward to. Isn't the result gorgeous? Let's start. Use any good quality PVA glue. I'm gonna add baby powder, lotion, foaming soap, foaming face wash, a non-foaming face wash. Make sure you mix very well. Add in as much air as you can. Please use shaving foam. Because the foam, when it comes in contact with the air, it expands. So this actually will give you so much volume to your fluffy slime. Add the borax solution gradually till this mixture comes away from the bowl. That's how you know that your slime is done. Not edited this mixing part because I want to really show you it takes a long time for the slime to come together, and you really have to be careful about the amount of borax solution you add. You have to really do it gradually, because if you do it all at once, you're gonna get that stringy, rubbery slime, and that's a no-no. Needs a mixture. So to add the color, I'm going to be using this makeup kit that I've already used in a previous video. I'm just going to be adding all the dark shades of pink in it. I hope it gives that bubblegum color to the slime. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, constructive comments, and share this video. I'll really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for the support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz. Bye.